um, some people are a little bit daunted by the notion of doing something online. So I'm preparing a separate little video showing you, demonstrating online how to use one of my courses. And everybody else's courses work pretty much on the same basis. So if you're unsure at all about what's involved in actually accessing a course on Teachable or one of the other platforms and actually enjoying these short, bite-sized lectures that I and other people present, then I'll be showing you in a separate video. Look out for it. Sign up for the newsletter if you want to be absolutely sure. Look out for it on my blog www.barrywimbolt.com, and that will take you through step by step and show you how to complete a course. So you can always practice on one of the free courses before you spend your money. And by the way, finally, selling. I always give a free money back guarantee. If you sign up for a course within 28 days, you're not happy with it, get in touch with me, and you can have your money back, no questions asked. Except that I'd like to know what you're not happy with, because maybe it'll help me improve the courses in the future. But I won't give you grief about it. I'll just return your money. Very happy to do that if it doesn't suit you. All the best. Over and out.